Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Ms.Chalice from the Cuphead show. So let's get started. To draw this cute cup, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a big oval. And then I'm going to come right next to it and draw another one. So let's say about right here. There, so now that my two ovals in, I'm going to come inside and draw another oval closer to this edge, and then I'm going to give it a little notch right here and then connect it. And I'll just come in here and shade this all in. And do the same thing over here. There. From there, I'm going to come up to the top right here, and I'm going to thicken up the top. This area right here. Going to anchor the eyes a little bit better. And same thing here. I'm just going to thicken this top part. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's come on top right here. We're going to spruce them up with some lashes. So just put in 3 and another one. So 1 long one and 2 shorter ones. So same thing over here. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's come in between her eyes and we're going to draw a little nose. Just a little oval right in between. Then let's draw her smile. So I'm going to come next to her eye and I'm going to draw a curve right here that touches her eye for her cheeks, and same thing on this side. So a little bit lower. And so come right here, and we're going to draw another curve for her cheek. Then we're going to connect it with a big curve, so say about right here. Just connect it for a big smile all the way across. And let's widen that smile. And I'll just draw 2 angle lines about here and here for some teeth. There. Okay, so now that we have that, oh, and before I forget, I'm going to put a little dot right here for a beauty mark, right? And then let's come above her eye, so nice and high. Let's say about right here, and I'm going to draw her brow. So it's this little curly shape, and then let's thicken it up. And same thing over here. So right here, little curl, and thicken it up. There. Okay, so now that we have her face in, let's go ahead and frame her face. So I'm going to come to the top of my eye, so just come right across, so say about right here. Just give myself a point, and here as well. Not too far out, so say about right here. From there, I'm going to start to draw this tulip shape around her, for her face, for her head. So I'm going to come right here, and here. I'm going to kind of widen out a little bit, and I'm going to go all the way around to about right here. So let's go nice and round right here, and then we're going to aim to that point. And same thing here. So nice and round. And connect. Then for the top, we're going to go up. So we're going to go out, I mean. So from about right here, we're going to go above her brow. So about right here, go out. And so to create that little tulip shape. And about right here. Now we're even on both sides, we're going to go ahead and connect it with a curve all the way across. There. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's come and draw a little detail. So right about here, I'm going to add another curve, just following my top. And then from there, let's draw her handles, her ear. So I'm going to come about right in this area and draw this big curve that comes down. And about right here, I'm going to pop out a smaller curve. And then in here, we're going to come about right here, another curve, and then we're just going to thicken up the handles. So same thing right across. Let's just drag some points across. Just want to approximate the same area. Then from there, once again, same thing. Big curve comes down to about right here. And another smaller curve. And then once again, about right here. Curve in and then just thicken up your handle. And then last but not least, we gotta give her a straw, right? So come to the top about right here, and I'm going to draw 2 angle lines. Nice and thick, and then just connect it with a soft curve. And then let's draw some stripes. So maybe one about here and here. Okay, so we're done with her head. Now let's draw her body. So let's come to the center and say right underneath her eye, about here and here, and I'm going to draw a slight angle out, line out to about right there, small little body, and I'm just going to go ahead and connect with a curve. Then let's come right in the center. We're going to draw 2 curves for her collar. There. And then let's start her dress, her skirt I mean, so I'm going to pop out a curve, and same thing right here. And then right in this area, I'm going to loop her dress, her skirt. So right here, small one, and then 2 big ones. So towards the center, and then come out, and another one, and connect. There, so just a little wiggle around. Then for her feet, we're going to come about right here and here. So 2 curves, and here as well. So we just want to make sure they're nice and centered. And here. And now that we have that in, let's draw her shoe. So I'm going to bring this in a little bit more. And we're going to go around and draw an oval. So I'm going to come about right here, going this way, continuing across. So just like drawing an oval. And then as we come about right here, I'm going to stop because I don't want to erase, and I'm going to draw a strap that comes up right here, and then finish off your oval. And then the shoe, let's come around, and then we're going to give it a heel. This part comes out, and we're just following our oval back in, and about right here, give it a little notch for the heel and connect. And just thicken this part up right there. There, so I got 1 shoe in, and now the other one exactly the same. So just bring this in a little bit more, just like the other side. We're going to draw an oval. Right here. And here, and then about right here, stop and draw a little strap. And connect, and then once again curve, heel, so just opposite of that, and then come in for a little notch and connect. There. Okay, so we have her feet in. Now for her hands, I'm just going to have them to the side. So we want them out a little bit, so because we don't want to hit her skirt. So let's bring this out. Let's curve it out to about right here and here. So I want to come out, and then I'm just going to go ahead and connect it right here with a curve, and another one for her gloves. So 2 big curves, and then we're going to start to draw the fingers. So 4 of them. 1, and then little line, another one, line, another one, and another one. So as you notice, I'm still kind of going in this circle, this round shape when I draw the fingers. And just draw these 3 little marks right here on the glove. So same exact thing on the other side. So about right here. And pass her skirt so we don't hit it. And thicken up the arms. So about right there. And then, once again, same exact thing. Curve and then fingers. 1, 2, 3, and the last one. There. And then once again, the 3 marks right here. Okay, and I think that is pretty much it. I'll add a heart since she's Ms.Chalice. Add a heart right here on her little top to make her my Draw So Cute Ms.Chalice from the Cuphead show. I really hope I made this fun and easy for you to follow along with me. And thanks so much for watching. And please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.